you make yourself.
I gotta say, it tastes way better than it looks.
You guys can keep it. I'm a 100% raw fish kind of cat.
What's the matter? You full already?
I was just thinking about stuff. That last battle feels like forever ago.
Huh?
Against Tartaros. We'd never fought against anyone so powerful. But still, we rose to the occasion and gave it everything we had.
We did. And it sure wasn't easy.
But we pulled it off, just like always.
You're right.
Don't you guys think that this whole thing is kind of unfair?
What do you mean?
We scored a huge victory, and Master Makarov went and broke up the guild anyway.
Yeah, I know he had his reasons for doing it. But still,
What?
I never gave up on the dream that we'd all be together again. I know I've said it before, but it's true. I'm so glad that we finally found each other. Now the three of us can go look for the other members. They're all out there somewhere.
Hey! What's the big idea?
I told you nothing beats the flavor of a perfectly grilled fish.
Come on, you big meanie. Make it raw again, please.
Yeah, okay. Check this out, Happy.
No, that's not wrong. You're gonna turn it into ashes, you stupid jerk.
Whoops, oh, you're right. Sorry, buddy. Hey, don't cry. I'll go out and get you some water,
Well,
okay?
so much for nostalgia.
I promise.